Sit comfortably with your back straight, allowing your body to relax. Cross your legs and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. 1. 2. 3. 4. With your next breath in, bring to mind moments when you felt unworthy of receiving fair payment for your work, when you believed you didn't deserve that money, or when someone made you feel like you couldn't afford what you truly desired. As you breathe out, let all those feelings go. Release them completely. Once again, breathe in, recalling any unpleasant memories related to money, times of stress, fear, or frustration. Now exhale deeply and let go of those negative thoughts about money. Money is easy. Money is natural. Money is for everyone, including you. Now let's shift our focus to abundance. Imagine yourself living in a reality where money flows freely to you. Picture your ideal life. What do you see? Perhaps a beautiful home, a luxurious vacation, or a brand new car. Whatever it is, allow yourself to visualize it clearly. Feel the emotions you would have when this desire is already yours. How do you feel in this reality? How do you carry yourself? Breathe in the scent of this space. Hear the sounds that surround you. You are already here. This is your reality now. Embrace this feeling of abundance, calm, and fulfillment. Take a walk through this space, noticing how peaceful and harmonious you feel. You are attracting wealth right now, effortlessly and naturally. To anchor this state of mind, we will now repeat a short mantra quietly to ourselves for the next few minutes. I am a magnet for money. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. I live in prosperity. I am a magnet for money. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. I live in prosperity. I am a magnet for money. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. I live in prosperity. I'll leave you for a few moments to continue repeating this quietly to yourself. When you're ready, gently return to the present moment. Embrace this refreshed mindset and let its energy guide you through your day with confidence and clarity. Open your eyes whenever you're ready and step into your powerful new reality. Remember, this world was made just for you. Go out and embrace it. For best results, practice this meditation for at least 30 consecutive days.